The competition was fierce at the Priest Valley Arena in Vernon Saturday as figure skaters from around the province competed in the free program. In first place after the short program was Danielle Gordon, representing Vancouver Squamish. She's competing in the pre-novice division for young women ages 9 to 14.
I've been skating since I was 3, and I started skating because my siblings skated, and I thought it seemed really fun.
Her brother is Mitchell Gordon, who recently won the 2012 Canadian Junior Men's Championships. For Danielle, who has been skating since the age of 3, her goal is to follow in her brother's footsteps.
I like to follow my brother's path and go to nationals and try and escalate and go to international competitions.
Coming in second after the short program was another Vancouver athlete, Emma Carr. She hopes to capitalize on her good start following the short. Going into the long program, what's your game plan?
Just to try to keep it the same as the short, stay relaxed, just go for it again and see what happens.
Now, what do you think of the competition so far?
It's been really fun. I'm really excited that we get to be with a lot of other athletes our age, and it's just been a great experience.
Like Danielle, Emma is also setting the bar high when it comes to her future in figure skating.
I'm hoping to go to nationals and see what happens if I can get to nationals and maybe internationally.
Representing Vancouver Island and in the top 10 after the short program was Mackenzie Waverick.
The short went good. I fully rotated my triple sow, which I haven't done in competition before, so that was good. I think it was probably one of the best short programs I've ever had.
What is your game plan going into the long program?
Into the long, I'm thinking about relaxing and having fun. Not so much on focusing on jumps, just presentation and towards the judges.
Mackenzie has been skating for 7 years, and she says it's something she can see herself continuing in the future.
With figure skating, I think the goal is to go to the Olympics. I really love it, so I don't think I'm stopping anytime soon.
Another Vancouver Islander who has been skating for a long time, 10 years in fact, is Amanda Wright.
My mom and her brothers and sister all skated, and my uncle was really he competed at nationals in Paris. So
that's obviously something you want to strive to.
Yeah.
So what is your game plan going into the long program?
I just need to stay relaxed and in the moment. I really love my long program, so it's just a lot of fun, so I don't really stress out that much.
And maybe can you talk about what you have planned in the long program?
Just not too much. I just want to skate clean, so it's not really anything too difficult.
For complete results, visit bcgames.org. In Vernon, I'm Marianne Okel for Shaw TV.